This is Coda playing with the water hose. You're a dirty dog. Look at you. You're a dirty dog. This is all just a trick to get you to the bath, buddy. Good boy. Oh, you ain't had enough yet, huh? Look at all that dirt on you. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I think you're clean enough to take you in and give a real bath now. Come on, buddy. Let's go have a bath. You want a bath? You want a bath, buddy, huh? Want a bath? Oh, yeah.